Davidson Live, weatherblogs.com. Storm Surge LLC lead forecaster. Time to look at the weather in the next week, and we're looking at a chance of severe weather by the end of the week and a warm up throughout the weekend. We're taking a look here today. We got 65 degrees here in Roanoke. It's around 60. It's around 60 in Philly in that area. 56 here in the Allentown area. We're going to go skip it up to Tuesday, a couple days from now. Look at the high temperatures increasing. 65 degrees, 59. So we're going to have this warm up continue, and we're going close to 70 by Wednesday in Roanoke and 60 in Philadelphia. And we're going to continue on this Thursday where everybody's getting some warm weather. We're talking about 67 in Philly, 66 in Roanoke. Friday, also 60s and 70s. We're talking about 71 in Philly, 70 in the Wilmington area, 72 in Dover, 66 in Roanoke. Before the cold front comes in for Saturday. What do we do by the time we get there? What kind of weather are we looking for? Thunderstorms, possibly severe. Dew points, definitely raising. So we're talking about dew points that are looking at the 50s, right around 60 degrees, some up to in the mid 60s for the dew points. So that'll allow some storms to develop. Maybe marginal at best. Marginal is going to happen with as the fronts move in, and we're looking at the GFS right here. You can see a pretty zonal flow, and you see this big dip in the western United States. The low pressure pops out into the Midwest. That is going to cause severe weather in the next 48 hours. Then it's going to start marching across the country. And as you see, we're getting this negative tilt starting to happen here. And this is where you're going to have the possibility of severe weather. And this is sitting right around, let's see, we're looking at the 29th. There we go, 11-1. That is your, right there you can see strong isobars from the south, negative tilt here. We're at the top of a negative tilt area, which would increase the shot of showers, thunderstorms along the east, which will be a high shear located environment. Like I said, we're talking about dew points only in the 50s, which is marginal. We're talking about strong winds in the upper levels that'll be in, and the lower levels that'll be in the area. So have that strong southwesterly fetch, and then a southeasterly fetch coming off the mountains. We have a high pressure out here, so you're going to the southeast and southwest come together. And it could be a recipe for some isolated tornadoes and definitely some high winds as the cold front passes towards the end of the week. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. Look at Wichita, Saline, Garden City, Hays, Kansas, Woodward, Oklahoma, slight risk of severe weather. The probabilistic areas, you can see west central Kansas being the best target for severe weather. And this will be the day on Monday. Tuesday, a little bit of southwestward shift. We're looking at 4 to 8. This is where you're going to start seeing the potential come across, move east. Like I said, it's going to be more widespread. It will be a more widespread probably wind issue when that front decides to come through the east coast. But always along the mountain chains, you got to watch out for that different height change direction, which could cause tornadic thunderstorms. We're not going to say it will happen, but we're giving you a heads up that it may. We're talking November 1st, 2nd time frame. Nothing going on in the tropics in the Atlantic at this time, but the Pacific got Hurricane Raymond moving northwest at 8. Eventually will weaken. Well, that was a look at what you expected the next week. We'll talk to you later. Make sure you tune in to the weather in a minute. Also, released this evening. D. Davidson Live, weatherblogs.com, Storm Surge LLC.